controlled outcomes test video for how to ensure that the GPS device is producing the ground so that you can trip your starter relays. On these particular style CalAmps, you're going to use the wire, the green wire, out of pin 2, which is the one right next to the black, which is also on a 3-plug harness. Green wire off of that. I go to the ground on our voltmeter. Constant on the voltmeter is going to go to the battery positive. I just have the GPS wired on terminal clips just to demonstrate. This is going to test the ground out of the GPS. One, you're going to make sure it's going to pull the full battery voltage, and two, that it works in a reasonable amount of time from sending the command from a separate device. The command just got sent, and we got battery voltage. I'll go down to enable, send the enable command. Enable command went, and we're back down again. Just to go over that one more time. Starter disable. I hit send. Got battery voltage. Starter enable. Hit send. It's going to go back down to 0 volts. That's how you will know if your GPS is functioning correctly on your pin 2 output, normally used for driver ID systems, or in this case, your starter disable.